We're going to check the oil now. Now we put her in neutral, have the emergency brake set, have it on level ground, start the engine. We have started the engine. We're going to let it run for 2 or 3 minutes to let all the oil circulate through the filter and everything to be sure we get a good run. Then we're going to wait another 2 or 3 minutes for all the oil to drain down and give us a good fluid level. Right now we want the engine warm. That's the time you should be checking the oil. I've ran it for about 3 minutes. The engine is warm. Now I'm going to wait another 3 minutes and then I'm going to check the oil. So this is the procedure that you should do when you're checking your oil. So we'll wait 3 minutes and then we're going to look at the dipstick. I'm cleaning the tip off. We're going to check the oil. It's been about 3 minutes, so the oil should be at the proper level. Hold it a moment, and looks like it's about halfway down. It's about right there. Now I still have a little bit of oil in the container that I'm going to go ahead and pour in. I wanted to be sure I didn't overfill it, so I got a little bit more that I can put in that's going to bring it right up to where it needs to be. Okay, there you go.